While traditional agriculture is struggling with unpredictable monsoons and soil degradation, a new breed of agripreneurs is generating over 2 lakh rupees a month from spaces as small as 500 square feet. This isn't just farming, it's a high-margin tech business. According to the 2025 to 2026 Invest India report, the hydroponics market is growing at a massive 17.6% CAGR, set to hit $5.3 billion by 2031. But here's the problem. 90% of beginners fail because they treat it like a hobby, not a tech-driven enterprise. Today, we're using government-backed data and precision tech to build a sustainable, profitable, soil-less business from scratch. Welcome to GreenSavvy. On this channel, we merge horticulture, finance, and tech. To build a successful agricultural business in 2026, you need to solve 3 things: resource scarcity, market demand, and scalability. Today's deep dive covers the precision hydroponic model for exotic greens. We aren't growing wheat or rice. We are growing high-value crops like Bok Choy, Arugula, and Italian basil, products that urban markets are starving for. Success starts with the nutrient film technique. Unlike soil, where 70% of water is wasted, hydroponics uses 90% less water. But the moral win here is the absence of pesticides. By using controlled environment agriculture, we eliminate the need for chemical intervention, creating a truly healthy, clean label product that fetches a 30% premium in the market. This is where most farmers lose money: labor and monitoring. In 2026, you cannot manually check pH levels. We incorporate IoT sensors to monitor electrical conductivity and pH levels in real time. A simple automated dosing system ensures your plants get exactly what they need, 24/7. This tech integration reduces crop failure rates from 40% in traditional setups to less than 5% in precision systems. Let's look at the numbers based on current 2026 market rates. 1. Initial setup, say 500 square feet. You will need an approximate initial funding of 3 to 5 lakh rupees. But wait, there is a tip later. Next, operating costs. It can be about 15,000 rupees per month depending on the consumption and needs of electricity, seeds, nutrients. Number 3, revenue. With this setup, one can grow 800 to 1,000 heads of lettuce or exotic greens monthly at 80 to 120 rupees per unit. Therefore, the net profit is roughly 60 to 80,000 Indian rupees per month after the first few harvest cycles. Here is the part most people miss, and that makes it an important tip for you. Under the National Horticulture Mission and the Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, the Indian government provides subsidies of up to 50% on protected cultivation and hydroponic infrastructure. This turns a high entry cost tech business into an accessible venture for young entrepreneurs. Building a profitable agri-tech business is about precision, not luck. If you want the full PDF breakdown of the equipment list in the government subsidy application process, check the link in the description. In our next video, we'll analyze the real-time supply chain, how to sell your produce directly to premium cafes without middlemen. Subscribe to build the future of food with me. We are GreenSavvians. Stay sustainable, stay profitable.